Let's go.
Cobain's biography.
I'm in.
Down the high road. Don't know where to go and slide.
Nautilus Aviation offer a full-day Litchfield Waterfalls and Finnis River Lodge experience.
Being so warm all the time, a lot of people would want to escape during the winter, but I can imagine there's so much beauty to experience during the summertime as well.
Oh, it's just a completely different world. Yeah, during the wet season, it's yeah, you get them big tropical storms that you sort of only experience up here, and a lot of people, you know, yeah, they think the dry season's the time to come up here. They're a bit scared of the heat, but yeah, it's something to be seen, eh?
As if the scenery wasn't spectacular enough, our destination is a secluded waterfall within the iconic national park.
You know, this is so crazy. It's like, okay, one, to think places like this actually exist. Two, we can actually go see them. And three, we're landing a helicopter on top of it. This is the coolest thing ever. This is insane.
Not a bad way to get around.
Paradise.
This is just one of those pinch yourself moments. I'm sitting at the top of a waterfall. I've got it all to myself. This is the stuff that travel dreams are made of. I'm not going anywhere.